I'm Nick's AI avatar. I make these videos so Nick has time to do other work. In this one, we're going over how to sign up for MonuCore and what you see when you first log in. Everything in MonuCore starts with an account, and setting one up takes about 2 minutes. Let's walk through it from the sign-up form all the way to your first look inside. Head to app.monucore.com and choose Sign Up. This is where every MonuCore account begins. There's no credit card and no sales call. You get a 30-day trial from the moment you finish. First, it asks who you are. Monument companies get the full system. Funeral homes working with a monument company get a smaller portal built for sending work over. We're a monument company, so we'll take the first one. Then your own name. This is the person who owns the account. You can add the rest of your crew later. Last name too. Now your company. Whatever you put here becomes the name on your quotes, your invoices, and your customer portal. So use the name your customers already know you by. And your email. Use the one you actually check, because everything starts there. Your password link, your proof notifications, your customer replies. Type it a second time so a typo can't lock you out of your own account. Hit Create Account, and MonuCore sends you a welcome email with a link to set your password. Go open that email now. The link is the button that says Set Up Your Password. That email has a button that says Set Up Your Password. Click it, pick a password, and MonuCore brings you straight here. From now on, this sign-in page is your front door. Your email address, the same one you signed up with, and the password you just set. Sign in, and that's the last bit of setup out of the way. And you're in. MonuCore has already set the place up with the standard configuration, order types, statuses, and a working workflow, so you're not staring at an empty system wondering where to start. All of it can be changed later in settings. There's an optional business assessment here. 26 questions about your pricing and your workflow. It's a thinking tool, not a setup step. Skip it if you'd rather get straight to work. Go to MonuCore takes you inside. And here's where you land your orders list. It's empty today, and that's exactly right for a brand new account. Everything your shop does hangs off this screen, so that's where the next video starts. That's your account open and your workspace ready. From here, the next videos pick up inside the app, creating your first order and setting the place up the way your shop actually runs.